भगवान का रूप होते हैं। पर आज ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने की इस चुनौती में भगवान ने ही डॉक्टर का रूप ले लिया।
It has been 6 months since the existence of novel coronavirus. As the pandemic continues to spread, more and more calls are being made for people to self-isolate. But for those keeping us safe, all the doctors, physiotherapists, nurses, and all other paramedical staff, self-isolation has never been an option. Their hard work and utmost dedication has helped millions of people across the globe to recover thus far. As hospitals welcome new coronavirus patients, medical staff is likely to get under further strain. Our physiotherapists have been working day and night in ICUs, COVID wards, and other suspected areas. They stand in the front line of our defenses. We owe them a great debt and will never forget their service.
So, on this World Physiotherapy Day, let's remember the sacrifices of our fighters
and show some gratitude to all of them
for their bravery and strength,
for their sacrifice and heroism,
for all their guts and grit,
for their courage and fearlessness,
for their spunk and valor.
In the time of coronavirus, without caring for their lives, they are working 24 hours.
Physiotherapists often have direct contact with the patients,
which makes them susceptible to this disease.
Many of our physiotherapists have been tested positive for coronavirus.
The fact that being our profession plays a crucial role in the health of our society. There are people in our communities whose health will be significantly impacted by disruptions to care.
Physiotherapists have been asked standing together to combat this deadly pandemic.
Physiotherapists have been shifted mainly in ICU ward and cater to severely ill patients. Their service has proven quite beneficial for the recovery of the patients, especially those who are suffering from cardiopulmonary complications.
For all their bravery and courage, I salute them.
Salute them.
I 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 salute them. I salute them. I salute them.
I salute you, doctor.
I salute them. I salute them.
I salute them.
I salute them.
I salute them.
I salute you.
I salute them.
I salute them.
I salute them. I salute them.
बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है, हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ। सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी, अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
Someone must have said it right. To heal his creatures, to heal patients from pain. God has created some messengers called doctors, physios, and other healthcare professionals. So this video we are dedicating to our physio warriors who are working in this pandemic situation of COVID-19.
I want you to inhale from your nose. Now exhale like you are blowing a candle. Do it again. Now exhale like you are blowing a candle. Very good. Repeat it 5 times.
As you can see how this physiotherapist is treating this COVID patient by performing some respiratory exercises. Similarly, there are so many other physiotherapists across the world working in different settings, may have direct contacts with the COVID patients and are more susceptible to the transmission of this virus.
They act as a catalyst to heal the aid of the society without drugs. They will make you walk when you can't. They will relieve your pain when pills can't. In this pandemic situation, they are still standing for you to make you fit, strong and healthy. They are not just physios, they are warriors.
This COVID situation is affecting the physical as well as the mental health of people because of staying indoors. The physical therapists and other practitioners are trying to help the minor patients in solving their problems via digital means.
Among the several lessons, this coronavirus pandemic has taught us to invest on the medical professionals and infrastructure. Just as giving our love, compassion, and respect to the patients, the medical professionals should also be given the same love, respect, and compassion.
Help our physio warriors. As we are working all day and night for saving lives, we should do our part by at least staying home. And above all this, I hope you warriors keep yourself safe as well.
Physio warriors and other healthcare practitioners for being so brave and selfless, for putting us before your family members, loved ones and yourselves. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are the students pursuing Bachelors of Physiotherapy and we wish you a very happy Physiotherapy Day. In this ongoing COVID-19 situation, physical therapists often have direct contact with the patients, which makes them more susceptible to the transmission of disease. They risk their lives in order to provide treatment to the patients and are often the first contact practitioners giving primary care to the patients and therefore are exposed to all kinds of danger.
आईसीयू एंड ओपीडी में काम करते हैं। आईसीयू में वो पेशेंट को रेस्पिरेटरी एक्सरसाइजेज एंड एम्बुलेशन करवाते हैं जिससे कि फास्ट रिकवरी ऑफ द पेशेंट हो पाती है एंड ओपीडी में वो रिहैबिलिटेशन करवाते हैं पेशेंट का जिससे कि वो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट में आ जाते हैं पेशेंट के।
Physiotherapists are working in ICUs to treat people, जिसकी वजह से वो खुद भी कोरोना पॉजिटिव आ रहे हैं और जिसकी वजह से उनके ऊपर एक मेंटल प्रेशर बिल्डअप हो रहा है। एंड सबसे बुरी बात ये है कि उन्हें टाइम पर पता भी नहीं चल पा रहा कि वो कोरोना पॉजिटिव है, जिसकी वजह से उनकी लाइफ और उनकी फैमिलीज की लाइफ डेंजर में है। And we request you to please share this flyer or image as much as possible so that it will reach to each and every physiotherapist.
Although the role of the medical specialists, the ENT doctors and the anesthesiologists is well known in treating the critically ill COVID-19 patients, but little has been said about the role that the physiotherapists play in assisting these patients towards full recovery, for which consideration must be given because our profession plays a very crucial role in the health of our society. And through this video, the only message that we want to convey is that we salute every physiotherapist who is working day and night in order to help the patient. You are the real heroes. And at the end, I would just want to say that let's do our bit and share this as much as possible so that we can make them feel seen and special. Thank you very much.
Happy Physiotherapy Day. Happy World Physiotherapy Day.
This outbreak of novel coronavirus has grown into a deadly pandemic in no time.
With more and more people contracting the infection each day,
The medical and the economic infrastructure all around the world has been shook down to its core.
In these trying times, all the healthcare workers and the paramedics,
be it doctors, physiotherapists, nurses or lab workers,
have emerged as warriors waging a war against the deadly virus.
There are many of these medical soldiers who have let down their life while protecting others.
Since they are at maximum risk being in close contact with the positive patients on a daily basis.
In India itself, over 540 doctors and paramedics lost their lives in this battle.
On this Physiotherapy Day, let's appreciate the remarkable efforts of our physiotherapists all over the world.
and step up to applaud and motivate them to emerge victorious against this pandemic.